to find. Mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. Be kind to those around you, don't be merciless. Remember me, for my name is Perseus. Perseus. Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down. Faces swirling past me, all my memories rolling vastly, cold, lost beneath the ground. All done by my own hand, I allow my feelings to become sand. If you're gonna cut me down, better do it quickly now, now. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again, oh yeah, my roots are strong. This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather. Cold, wet, and all around. Toxic people being severed like falling in September. Cold, wet, and on the ground. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong. Without getting to see your face, yet another dream undone against another setting sun. Oh, sleeping through another night without having you by my side. It's yet another nightmare spun. I can't escape all of the wrong I've done. Forgive me. Night falls and I'm not sleeping. Think over all the things I do for you. Froze but my heart's still beating. Count down the days until it's free. Until it's free. Living through another day without getting to see your face. Is yet another dream undone against another setting sun. Oh, sleeping through another night without having you by my side. It's yet another nightmare spun. I can't escape all of the wrong I've done. Forgive me.
Standing in the moment, waiting for the end. There's gonna be a lesson coming round the bend. Every day I wonder, looking for a thrill. Can you hear the thunder rolling down the hill? I can't breathe unless you look at me. Look at me, are you satisfied with your life? When you're up at night, do you feel alright? Can you
Take out our hearts just to tear them apart. Putting on a face just to play the part. All these fake emotions, just to drown in self-devotion. And now we're falling down, falling down. And we're losing something real to hold on to. It's dark down below. It's dark down below. Don't let it show, won't let them know. We're burning and we're all alone. It's dark down below. It's dark down below. It's dark down below. Now we're falling down, falling down. And we're losing something real to hold on to. It's dark down below. It's dark down below. It's dark down below. It's dark down below. All these fake emotions, just to drown in self-devotion. And now we're falling down, falling down. And we're losing something real to hold on to. It's dark down below. It's dark down below. Don't let
try to shut you up, but all I get is carried away, carried away. Tell you I've heard enough, but every time there's something to say, something to say. Help me hallucinate. These visuals I crave. Help me hallucinate. These visuals I crave. Help me hallucinate. These visuals I crave. My mind was open fire. You were the mountains burning away, burning away. Kept creeping closer still, but every outcome ended the same, ended the same. Help me hallucinate. These visuals I crave. Help me hallucinate. These visuals I Help me hallucinate. These visuals I crave.
What's it like now? Let's just say it's hard to remember. Every light's out, every scar's open and tender.
You're a liar, putting on a show like you're a fighter. Don't want me to know that you're a lover, so you add another layer to the skin of your heart. No emotion, learn to be an island on the ocean. Rather be alone than be dependent on another living soul that could reopen your scars. There's a crack in the wall where the light comes through, and I wanna see it all from a close-up view. So let's uncover me, and then let I uncover you. Baby, let's uncover me, and then let I uncover you. Wanna show me who you are with your guns on the floor, and I ain't gonna come with a guard at the door. So let's uncover me, and let I uncover you. Underneath the surface, dropping every part of my defenses. Take them all away if you can handle my heart. There's a crack in the wall where the light comes through, and I wanna show it all from a close-up view. So let's uncover me, and then let I uncover you. Baby, let's uncover me, and then let I uncover you. Wanna show me who you are with your guns on the floor, and I ain't gonna come with a guard at the door. So let's uncover me, and then let I uncover you. I'll be dreaming, 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 I'll be dreaming.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
I'll be dreaming.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
was riding out the fall. If it would ever stop, I didn't think that far. I was opening doors to places I was not meant for. I thought I could return. I didn't know where I was going from there. Trying to see what was over in the clear. It was right in front of me. Right in front of me. Waiting on the edge for everything to start. I couldn't see my hands. This emotion was an art, but things I couldn't mend will never be too far. And now I'm standing up against a wall. Wish I could start this all over again, in trying to make sense of it. I miss the entire moment. Something I needed to acknowledge. Now look at where I am, going in circles again. Going in circles again.
Heartbreaker, I ain't gotta hear your voice and know what you're talking about. Yeah, breaking on this floor, then you storm out the door. I can tell you want some more. Take your time, 'cause your love is what I adore. Baby, yeah, quiet, dancing all over the floor. Yeah, they watching the way that we soar. Quiet, eyes on you, baby, make them go crazy. Quiet. Heartbreaker, I ain't gotta hear your voice and know what you're talking about. Yeah, breaking on this floor, then you storm out the door. Yeah. know you're scheming. Don't be selfish, babe. Let it float away to the night of day, to the night out. Dancing all over the floor. Yeah, they watching the way that we soar. Eyes on you, baby. Make them go crazy. Dancing all over the floor. Yeah, they watching the way that we soar. Eyes on you, baby. Make them go crazy. Bailando conmigo, amor. I need what you give, por favor. Bailando conmigo, amor. They watching the way that we soar. Dancing all over the floor.
Outside my window, the ocean is calling. The sky is burning on fire. But inside my window, I'm taking your picture and watching you coming alive. Make sure you get me right before the first light. I don't wanna miss it 'cause I've been here all night. Suck up the spirits with you, I feel just fine. Yeah. If you wanna take me, then I will be alright. Do you wanna make it better? Or do we let it go? No. Wanna make it better? Each day we're leaving, the feeling is stronger. Now we got too much to lose. 'Cause I know about your secret, it ain't worth me leaving. 'Cause we all been a little messed up too. Make sure you get me right before the first light. I don't wanna miss it 'cause I've been here all night. Suck up the spirits with you, I feel just fine. Yeah. If you wanna take me, then I will be alright. Do you wanna make it better? Or do we let it go? Do you wanna put it all together? Or do we fade away? No. Wanna make it better? No. Wanna make it better?
Can I just turn back the clock? Forgive my sins. I just wanna roll my sleeves up and start again. I know that I messed it up time and time again, but I just wanna roll my sleeves up and start again. I was pushing up the lane, stepping out the frame I'm in. I was pulling on the reins, sick of all the same happening. That's right, I was looking for disaster, mixed with a bottle of gin. And just because I come home after doesn't mean you take me in. You see, my world is spinning like there's nothing below. You see, my world is feeling like it just might explode. And yes, I know it's hard to take it backwards from my mind. I need to get it right, need to see some light come in. Can I just turn back the clock and forget my sins? I just wanna roll my sleeves up and start again. I know that I messed it up time and time again. I just wanna roll my sleeves up and start again.
Feeling like maybe I'm unappreciated, like my presence in your life has been alleviated. I feel like everything I've done before is different now, but I can see clearer than ever from a distance now. Every day I do it, I've been going through it, but you never knew it cause I never showed you. You gave me the world, so I feel I owed you. I've been looking through the mirror, that's the old you. I'ma get it right now, don't know how, but I promise that we're gonna make it somehow. I'm all in, it's from the heart again. Open up your mind and maybe we can start again.
Can I just turn back the clock and forget my sins? I just wanna roll my sleeves up and start again. I know that I messed it up time and time again, but I just wanna roll my sleeves up and start again.
What's up, guys? What's up, everybody?
Yes, I know it's hard to take it backwards from my mind. Need to get it right, need to see some light come in. Can I just turn back the clock?
How's everybody doing today?
Forget my sins, I just wanna roll my sleeves up and start again.
Just to go over Bring the Powder, not the regular layout will once we start trading will be up. I'm just doing this to kind of go over our how to find stocks in play. We still got it. Yeah, we're not going to use this screen, Austin. It's all good. This is just for the few minutes until we get started. Hey, all right, so guys, for all of you that are new here on YouTube, we typically stream on Twitch. So all the Twitch guys, the stream is up live on Twitch as well. I appreciate everybody that's coming here on YouTube to help support. But the stream is also up on Twitch for those of the Twitch regulars. If you need your emotes, you can still go on Twitch. Ascending triangle on BA, and unfortunately, man, I really don't even see this first thing this morning. There's really not a ton of options this morning. Got a couple short possibilities. Nice, Sam. All right, guys. So the reason why we decided to jump on YouTube today, trying to help grow the YouTube channel a little bit. So if any of you guys are on and have not yet subbed to the stream, I'd be forever grateful if you could sub to the stream really quick right before we get started. In 1 sec. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We got about 20 minutes before the market opens, so I'm going to go over, for those of you that have been with me for a while, you guys are used to this, and for those that haven't, welcome. We will go ahead and jump into how you can go about building yourself a watch list, finding stocks that are in play without having to purchase scanners. So if you're not a big scanner person, or if you're new starting out, I know how it's like. We all like to save as much money as possible, especially when you're first starting out trading. So I'm going to show you the process that I used to use when I was starting out trading, and hopefully you can apply it and it'll help you out as well. So the first site that we are going to head over to is going to be barchart.com. All right, that's barchart.com. Okay, and the area that I'm going to be looking on bar chart is going to be this gap up tab and the gap down tab. All right, for those that aren't familiar with what a gap up or a gap down is, gap up is going to be when a stock opens higher than the previous day's close, and a gap down is going to be when it opens lower than the previous day's close. Pretty simple. But so the next thing we're going to be looking at, number one criteria that is always going to drive all day trading, is going to be volume. We need volume to get in and out of trades. So that is going to be the number one thing that I look for when deciding what stocks I'm going to add to my watch list. So we're going to go to this column over here, this volume column, and again, guys, the criteria that I'm going to tell you that I look for can all be adjusted to suit whatever you like. This is just what I prefer, so just keep that in mind. If you want something different, but you can always do something, tweak the criteria a little bit for yourself. But what I look for is going to be at 50,000 shares traded in the pre-market. So I want to at least see 50,000 shares over here minimum. Now, if you want 100,000 shares, that's fine. If you want 10,000 shares, that's fine. It's all going to be kind of up to what you prefer. So right off the bat, you see we have several stocks that are trading over 50,000 shares. So once I find some 50,000 share spots, I'm going to then look over here at the price. All right. The range that I like to trade is going to be $10 to $90 to $100. I usually like to stick to 90. I'll go up to 100. Again, that's something that you can change as you see fit. If you like to trade, penny stocks or small cap stocks, that's fine. If you like to trade the large cap stocks, that's fine. You can adjust it however you like. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm saying. But so these stocks here, these are a little bit high for me, not stocks that I would typically trade. I am going to put Walmart on there. I think we might be able to get some trades out of Walmart today, so we'll definitely have Walmart. RDY, that's going to be one that we will add on there, it looks like. Excuse me, no it's not. That's only 21,000 shares. 1 second, guys. So we're going to just continue scrolling down here and looking for 50,000 shares traded, and then we'll try to find, all right, LUV, $28. That's definitely going to be in the range that we're looking for. 440,000 shares traded, so that should be in play today for us. JD, 100,000 shares traded, $56. That will be good. UAL is going to be in play. Looks like the airlines are in play today. Dow. All right, so we got quite a bit for the long side. That is going to be the first thing I'm doing. Next, we'll go to the gap downs. That'll be the next step. We want to see find any longs and shorts. So we'll click on gap down, and then we'll do the same exact thing. Also, keep in mind, guys, this barchart.com site, they usually update around 9 o'clock, so you will have to wait until about 9 o'clock to use this, but I prefer that because I like for the pre-market to kind of settle and give us an idea what everything's going to do. So looks like we got quite a few gap downs on the day. Let's see, we got CVNA. We will take a look at BLPH. GOSS. It's not quite 50,000 shares traded on GOSS, but we still got 15 minutes, so it's going to get close to 50,000. I'm just going to put it on the watch list just to take a look at it. GMDA, that's below $10. Not anything I'm going to be interested in. STM. All right, so that's going to give us a pretty solid list of stocks that we can take a look at. So again, that's going to be the first thing I do. Always remember volume. If you're going to be day trading, you want volume. That's going to be the biggest thing you want to consider is going to be volume. You want to be able to get in and out of trade. You don't want to buy shares and then there be no volume and you get stuck holding the shares and not have anyone to sell them to. So make sure you have volume. Okay, that's going to be the number one criteria. That's why I choose 50,000 shares. I mean, some people use more, some people use less, but 50,000 seems to work out pretty decent for me. All right, so now that you have a good list of stocks that you can look at, the next site I'm going to use is going to be Finviz. That's FINVIZ.com. Okay. Main reason I'm going to use this site is I just go to look to see any news headlines that this site has. I think they have a free scanner as well. I'm not sure. If it does, you're going to have advertising on it and stuff. It'll probably be annoying, but you can definitely check that out if you are interested in a free scanner. Let's take a look at Walmart. That's the first one we wrote down. Let's see what's going on with Walmart today. So if you scroll down here, you will see you can pretty much get any info on the stock you need. Market cap, shares outstanding, shares float, short float, anything you want to know about a stock you'll be able to find here. The main things I look at, I like to see if there's been any downgrades or upgrades on the day. Today's the 19th, so this is from last month they got downgraded, so there's nothing today. Down here, May 19th, these are going to be your news headlines. Let's see. Okay, Walmart trounced earning expectations. Okay, so it looks like they did really well on earnings. So basically, this is going to show us why this stock is gapped up on the day. So that will give you an idea of what's making this stock move. That way you know what's going on. I don't really, unless you want to get in for a quick short on it, I don't really... if you're a new trader, I don't recommend shorting it. I try to tell a lot of new traders that if you are, if you're trying to get into a trade and you're new, the best way to stay safe, you can long gap ups and short gap downs. And I don't mean buy at the high or short at the lows, but for a long, if you want to buy a gap up, wait for a pullback down to support, and then you can buy the pullback. And then the exact opposite with shorts. If you want to short a stock that is a gap down on the day, wait for it to pull back up, and then you can take a short at resistance. But so this is going to give you an idea of why Walmart is up, and you can, any stock that you are wanting to add to your watch list, you can just go up here to this the search bar, type in the ticker, and you will get all that information that you need here. Just to get, I'm not going to go over every single one to keep this short. We got 10 minutes for the market to open. But any of the stocks you can find on here. If there's current upgrades or downgrades, that'll give you an idea of why a stock could be moving. And then these news headlines will tell you why a stock has either gapped up or gapped down. All right. And now the last site that I'm going to go to, and let me say this before we go to it. I always like to tell guys, don't go to the site looking for stock advice, okay? This site, there's going to be a lot of trolls on here. There's going to be a lot of guys that probably aren't even trading. I typically just use this site. I just go there really quick just to get the market sentiment of a trade, of a stock, okay? I like to just see where people's heads are at. If there's a lot of people talking about it, obviously you want to be in the stocks that most people are watching. The more eyes you have on the stock, the more volume is going to be, and the better trade setups will be. So, but the last site that we're going to use is StockTwits. Okay. And again, I'm not sponsored or affiliated with any of these sites. This is just a method that I came up with a long time ago. I do use scanners now, so it does make the process a little bit easier, but it doesn't hurt to actually go in and learn the hard way, learn to put the legwork in. And also, if you don't want to pay for scanners, this is a free way to do it. None of these sites cost any money. You don't even have to sign up for any of them. So just keep that in mind. So StockTwits here, we'll just go to this search bar, we'll type in WNT, we'll do the same one we just did, just to keep it simple. And let's see. Here it comes, man. What's up, brother? Appreciate the 4 months, my dude. Thanks for the sub, man. Alright, so we'll scroll down here and you'll see you got a lot of people talking about it, obviously, because it's gapped up on the day. Sentiment's actually down. If you see here, it's down 0.31%. Message volume is up 60%. The price is up 3.54%. You can scroll down here. You're going to get all kinds of people talking about the stock that you type in, especially if it's one that's moving on the day. Everyone's going to be putting their 2 cents in, saying it's going to go up, it's going to go down. Looks like you got a lot of bullish guys on here. And like I said, don't get into a trade and come here looking to get bailed out. Okay, don't come here. If you're in a trade, and you're on the wrong side of a trade and you're holding it, hoping it comes back. Don't come to this site looking to justify your position if you're in a losing position, okay? Because you're gonna find people that are agreeing with you. All right, there's gonna be people on here that are agreeing with you, and there's gonna be people disagreeing with you. I know back when I was starting out trading, I would come here and I would see one person agree with my position. I was in a losing position. I'd be down $1,000 or something, and I would justify holding on to my position longer just because some random guy on here, I had no clue who they were, agreed with what I was, the reason why I was in the position. So don't use this for that. You will get yourself in trouble, all right? Like I said, I just use it to kind of get an idea of what the sentiment is, what people are thinking, things like that. You can also use it here, this trending now tab. We'll show you the most talked about stocks on StockTwits. Again, these are going to be stocks that a lot of people have their eyes on, so it doesn't hurt if you decide to add it to your list. This is going to be another option that you can use to add stocks to your list. So you push play there, you can kind of scroll through it, pause it, things like that. So. Alright guys, those are going to be the 3 steps that I use to build up a watch list. After that, I'll go and draw some major support and resistance levels, and then we'll get the day started. But that's an easy, free, cheap way to build yourself a watch list without having to sign up for any websites, without having to pay any money. Those 3 sites right there take you 10 minutes max. Especially when it's a big point to get in a routine. Do the same thing every single day. That will help you a ton in trading. So if you go and do those same things every single morning, you get in that routine, you'll be able to really knock that out very fast. It doesn't take long at all. So you got barcharts.com, finviz.com, and StockTwits. Those are going to be the 3 sites that will help you build a watch list. Very, very inexpensive and cheap. So now I'm going to try and get some support and resistance levels drawn and get ready for the day. What you're seeing here now, guys, on YouTube, if you're new, this is going to be our Twitch stream. We stream on Twitch live every single day. So this is what our stream looks like on Twitch. So all the extra stuff that you're seeing on there is going to be from Twitch. If you aren't followed on Twitch, come over to Twitch and follow. It's a free streaming platform. We stream all our streams live every day. All our trades live every day. Is anybody having trouble with Thinkorswim? I saw somebody saying that they couldn't even place any orders on with TradeNet. I mean, PD earlier this morning. My freaking Thinkorswim platform is so laggy right now. Good gracious.
Take me. No second guessing,
We're
'cause
132 on the day.
you're the exception, breaking all
The water's getting inching up there. All-time highs, huh?
better, nothing less will do. 'Cause all I want is you. Don't tell me where we're gonna go, just take me
Gangsters, what's up, guys?
right now. Every time you close, I'm shaking. Yeah, you're the only one who knows how to save me.
Pandy Bear, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome.
Just take me.
Hey guys, anybody that's wanted to join up in Discord, we have opened up Discord to everyone now. You won't have access to all the channels, but you can. You do have to sub to the Twitch stream to get access to everything. But if you want to join Discord, you can join Discord.
Where you wanna go, just take me. Right now, every time you close, I'm shaking. Yeah, you're the only one who knows how to save me. So don't tell me where you wanna go, just take me.
Dude, Thinkorswim is driving me crazy right now. How laggy it is. What's up, Peterson? Roy King, good morning, man. What's up, brother? All right. I mean, obviously the main watch is gonna be ACB. I'd be careful with it though. I am, man. Thinkorswim is about to catch a flying elbow. What's our old friend GSX doing? Need a, I owe it something from yesterday. GSX got me for $1,000 yesterday. Thanks, J-Dubs.
Dive in. You might never see the border, but the mystery is awesome. Don't let me be forgotten. A single rose, a thorn will. Tell me your fears, they stay right here. You're in so deep, you feel my skin on top of yours. Can we begin? You're in so deep, you see too much love in me.
Alright, guys. What's up, J-Bug? GSX. I know there's not really much volume going on with it right now. I do feel like it's gonna fail though. Alright guys, we got 30 seconds. Remember, no need to jump into anything.
What's up, guys?
Rosaru22, thanks for the follow. Take your time, don't rush. Wait for your setups to come to you. For Walmart, I would want to see Walmart make a new high, break that 133.91. Clean break of that, then I would want to get high off the pre-market, long off the pre-market highs. What's up with Pixie? It's only up 96%. Anybody know anything about that?
Throw your weight around, expecting me to carry you on my shoulders. I don't play around, but I'm the one that's keeping you in the corner. You don't control me like you say you do. You say you do. You say you do. You don't control me like you say you do. You say you do. Baby, you say you do. You say you do, but you don't.
Wait till it unhalts.
You say you do, but you don't. Been through this before.
Man, I feel like GSX is going to just lose it today at some point.
So you can't get through me. You put me on a shelf. I've always been above you. It's nothing.
Pixie signed a deal.
You don't control me like you say you do. You say you do.
What's up, Disney Magic?
You say you do. You don't control me like you say you do. You say you do. Baby, you say you do. You say you do, but you don't. You say you do, but you don't.
Good, man.
You say you do, but you don't.
I just want your party and I want it now. I waited for too long, I need you somehow. Give me just a second, I'm getting down. I'm getting down, I'm getting down. For all the time I stayed, I was missing something.
Walmart pulling back pretty hard. Dude, everything's quiet, really, man. You put the Momo scanners up. Discord. Hit them up.
You will never know what you mean to me.
Alright guys, for those of you that are in Discord on the scanners, the Momo scanners are up in Discord. mRNA hitting them.
It doesn't even matter, need you to say, need you to say, need you to say. For all the time I stayed, I was missing something. If you think
Gangsters, what's up, guys?
Yeah, it's like impossible for me to trade right now. I can't. My Thinkorswim is so laggy.
things are going wrong, and you know what? Maybe I'm just paranoid, paranoid. Maybe I'm
Proud
just
Pink, Proud Pink Daily. Thanks so much for the follow. Welcome.
I'm so paranoid, paranoid.
So pound. Well, I'm glad I said proud and mispronounced it.
Just paranoid, paranoid. I have a feel stuck in my head. I'm so paranoid, paranoid. You will never know.
CRWD running up on volume.
You will never know what you mean to me.
I just wanna know what's good with you. After all them things I've been through with you, still the same. I can't
I just got in DAL.
no, I can't let it go. I know what they say, and I don't give a fuck who's claiming her.
See if we can get this pushed back over 22.
Everything without saying one word. I need your heart, I need your soul. Oh, that you
It might be gaming, guys. I might have to end the double stream. We'll see once I get out of this trade.
put in work right now, right now. Put in work right now, right now. Oh, it's mine when you go down. Right now, right now. I know you wanna fuck right now, right now. Oh, right now. I know you're looking for a real one. That's why you gave it all to me. But I'm not in love with you. Just keeping it real with you. Ooh, baby. Don't hate me. Oh, no. Say you want him, but you need me. You just keep it 100, don't cheese me. Leave them strings at the door when you see me. We don't need no motherfucking repeat, nah. You know I don't kiss and tell. When we done, I just wish you well. She got a man, I could barely tell. She come back around like a carousel. Give me that.
Alright, come on.
I see through the line, no more disguise. The scenery's crashing down to let all the truth be found. Didn't belong, had to move on to somewhere that I could be. Open my eyes and see all of the beauty
Alright.
in front of me, giving back all the energy that I never felt.
Took that off.
Never felt
We are definitely, I'm lagging like hell. I'm gonna have to end the double stream for sure.
society that would kill.
Alright YouTube, it's been real. If you guys want to hang out, come over to Twitch. I think the Twitch stream and the YouTube stream is making me lag too much, so we're gonna have to end the YouTube stream. Thank you guys for hanging out on YouTube.